In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 277 where it says your network is not available. Now the way that you can fix this is first you want to check for your internet connection. Try and go on a new internet if you have Wi-Fi or something. Try and share with your phone your connection there and try and join that one and see if that fixes the issue. Now another thing you can do is come down here, right click and open network and internet settings. From in here, you want to do change adapter options. Right click on it, disable and enable again if you have a cable. Disable and enable. Now if this doesn't work, something else you can try is simply try and reinstall Roblox. So come down here, go to apps and features, search for the Roblox in here and uninstall. Then simply go and reinstall it and see if that fixes the issue. Now the last thing that we can try is right click on Roblox, properties, compatibility and activate these two. Now see if this fixes your issue, and I hope it will. Now those are the possible ways that you can maybe fix it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.